When you consider your upper ab muscles, you're really considering the top half of a muscle group called the rectus abdominis, or you may know it as six-pack muscles, which runs down the front of your belly from your ribs to your pubic bone. It's essential to maintain your entire core muscles strong by doing a wide variety of workouts. Don't you know how? So, this video is for you because in this video on the Pars Health TV channel, we are going to be sharing with you 8 great exercises that help you get amazing upper abs fast. Number 8. Bicycle crunch. The bicycle crunch is one of the exercises related to the abdominal muscles. When moving in both directions, apply constant pressure to the area. The middle of your abdominal muscles is engaged with this exercise. Are you asking how to do a bicycle crunch? Lie on the floor with your palms behind your head. Lift the shoulder blades forward and raise the knees to the point where they form perpendicular to the ground at the body's anatomy, abdominal muscles. The legs should be parallel to the ground. This is the starting point for the bicycle crunch. Bring the right elbow and left knee closer together until you feel the abdominal muscles contract. Return to the starting point after a short pause. Repeat the same process with the left elbow and right knee. This process will be equal to 1 iteration. Move the bike crunch alternately and slowly. Important notes: remember to exhale when the abdominal muscles contract during the crunch of the move. When the abdominal muscles are released, inhale. If you feel pain in your lower back while doing the bicycle crunch, do basic anti-stretch and anti-rotation movements. Also, never put your hand behind your head in this position, as this will cause too much traction on your neck area. Number 7. Swiss ball leg rollout. This not only works on your upper abs by challenging your stability and strength on the ball, but it also extends the lower back muscles. Get in a push-up position with your shins on a Swiss ball to do this workout. Stretch your knees to the chest until the toes are on the ball. Return to the first position. Ensure to maintain your belly button in, and shoulders pushed away from the ball. Do it for 3 sets of 12 reps with 30 seconds of rest between sets. Number 6. Hike to Superman. Move up when your toes are on the ball. Fold your glutes and move the ball towards you. Then, your belly will be vertical. Roll the ball back so your body will straighten again and pull your spine. Then, move the ball to the top of your legs. Your body should be straight in a line where your arms are pulled over your head but still on the ground. You should look like Superman when he flies down. All of these actions are 1 round of movement. With your large back muscles, pull yourself to return to the push-up pose and begin the next round. This workout is one of the best abdominal pack exercises and one of the hardest to get amazing upper abs. Number 5. Scissors. This exercise primarily works on your core, but it also engages your legs, glute, and back. To do this exercise, lay down on the floor. You can put your hands at your sides, but if you want to add more support to your back, you can place your hands underneath your tailbone. Then extend your legs, and move them up and down. Your left leg should be down when your right leg is up, just like a scissor. You can do it differently that works more on your inner thigh. When you lift your leg, instead of going up and down, twist them in and out. This would also be a great exercise. Make sure you have a slight knee bend to keep your back from extra pressure. Do not forget to do a cool down stretch for 4 to 5 minutes. Number 4. Standing bicycle crunches. Do regular crunches cause pain? This workout is the beginner variation. Stand, and put your feet hip-width apart, hands positioned behind your head. With a tight belly, straight back, and loose shoulders, lift your right leg, raise your right knee, and lower your left elbow towards each other. Return to the first position. Repeat on the other side. Do 7 reps on each side. The medicated version of this workout is also efficacious. If turning your upper body down is too hard, raise your knee to your chest while holding your upper body still, alternating legs. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Now, let's dive right into the number 3 on our list. Number 3. V-sit crunch. Begin on your back with hands stretched over your head. Raise your legs and crunch up simultaneously, creating your body into the shape of a V. Exhale as you raise your legs and crunch, and inhale as you return to the first position. For all of the abs challenging reasons of a classic crunch, it holds you from putting unnecessary torque on your neck and using momentum to finish the crunch. Number 2. Crunch pulse. This kind of workout seems easy until you haven't done it yet. The crunch pulse is the normal crunch. The difference is in the regular crunch. After every sit-up, you put your back and shoulders on the ground, but in a crunch pulse, your shoulders should never touch the ground. You just need to do some little pulses. Keeping a little distance between your heels and the ground is better to add more intensity to the movement. Even the range of motion is not too much, but I promise this workout will burn your belly fat hard. Do this exercise for 60 seconds in one set, and repeat sets 3 times. Number 1. Reverse crunch. The reverse crunch is better than the classic crunch for boosting your upper abs. The movement holds your muscles under pressure for a more extended period. It hits the tricky to target upper abs notably hard. Lie down and lift your legs so your thighs are vertical and your knees are flexed at a 90 degrees angle. Tighten your abs to bring your knees to your chest, raise your hips off the floor, and gradually lower your legs back to the start. What kinds of exercises do you do to get amazing upper abs? Feel free to share your ideas and experiences with us in the comments section below. If you enjoy the video, please share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And watch more of our unique videos on the left and right of your screen.